My name is Daniel Barriga. I am the LaLiga delegate for United Arab Emirates. LaLiga is the Spanish football competition, and we are in charge of organizing the competition in Spain, the first and the second division. So under our umbrella, we have 42 clubs. The main clubs playing football in Spain are under our organization. In terms of developing businesses, we are always looking for new partners, and that's one of the main things that we came for DMCC. Here in DMCC, we have found amazing location and amazing facilities to know other companies and to make partnerships with them. We have partners in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, so being here in DMCC has helped us for them to come and meet us here in our top-class facilities. The DMCC team is very supportive with the organizations within the area. We have different experiences with them in the last 2 years. From the moment that we decided to set up here, they made it very easy, all the paperwork and all the documents that we had to provide. It's not something that you usually find in Dubai, where sometimes these operations can be difficult. We found it very easy in DMCC. For example, when we opened the office, one delegation of DMCC came here and they helped us to promote that we, as LaLiga, were coming to DMCC, and we had a big impact in media. So these kind of things are helping our business to grow, are helping LaLiga and our objectives to be successfully completed in terms of reaching new people, new generations, to attract them to football. And also in the daily activity with them is very easy. Anytime you have any problem, you just can call them, you can reach them by email, and they are always very supportive and always helping you as a business. So basically there are many different areas where the DMCC had added this value to LaLiga, and we are very happy with this relationship, and we are sure that in the near future more opportunities and more activities are coming.